The first strategy is to evaluate the insights produced by each disciplinary perspective. Document each insight's perspective, assumptions, and strengths and limitations. For an example, see Table 7.8 on page 194 in the textbook. Identifying assumptions can be a challenge because authors don't always identify their assumptions in their writing. Sometimes we have to dig for them. Often, the assumptions made by a discipline also underlie the insight produced by that discipline. To identify the pros and cons of an insight, we should read, and read some more, and then compare that insight to some of the other insights we've identified. Maybe one insight covers an important aspect of the problem, but another insight gives us information about a different aspect of the problem. That would be a strength of both insights. They are complementary. Other times, we might identify two different insights that have two different conflicting assumptions about the problem. One perspective says the problem is caused by genetic factors, while another insight says the problem is caused by social, environmental factors. We also want to identify skewed understanding. This refers to the degree to which an insight reflects the biases inherent in the discipline's perspective, and thus the way the author understands the problem. Skewed understanding doesn't mean that someone did something wrong, or that they made a mistake, or that they committed some type of fraud. Skewed understanding means that the authors do not have a comprehensive understanding of the problem. It happens due to both conscious and unconscious decisions made by the authors of a project, book, or paper. To identify skewed understanding, we might ask questions like, how is the author's understanding of the problem biased or limited? What are they missing? What are they not considering? How did the methods they chose influence their conclusions? Unfortunately, disciplinarians are not always aware of their skewed understanding. Interdisciplinarians, on the other hand, are trained to recognize skewed understanding in their own work as well as in others' work.